So welcome back. We're still in this segment of viewers' questions because I needed a backlog because currently, while you're watching this video, my diary is shut and I am taking a much needed break. However, the viewer asked, Charlie, are your talents transferable into other forms of mediumship? And so in this video, that's what we'll be talking about. So I don't really see it as a talent. I see it as more of an everyday thing for me. It's just the way my mind works. But I'm flattered that people would call it a talent. But is it usable in other forms of mediumship? And they gave the example of trance. And absolutely, because my mind is in a particular way, is that usable in other forms of mediumship? It's because of the understanding that I have that I can use it in other forms of mediumship, and the example given would be in trance. Now, the big difference between mental mediumship and entrancement is that the mental mediumship almost has this analytical value to it. As the information's coming in, like it or not, we're analysing on some level. We are trying to present it. We're trying to, some people are trying to understand it. And we're not very conscious, but we are very in the knowledge that we are being looked at or we are being listened to. So there's an aspect of us within that form of mediumship, being mental mediumship. With trance is more of a surrender. So as we go through the altered states, we are surrendering our voice and our mind to that of someone from the spirit to let them speak through. Now, maybe another video, but there are different levels of trance. You know, you can be 1% in trance and the quality will still be as good as someone as in 99% of trance. But that's another video. But trance is trance, you know, within that segment there. And so my understanding and me wanting to surrender and doing it for the right reasons and so on and so forth, that will give me the ability to be able to speak in trance or have the talent, as it was suggested by the viewer, within my entrancement work. So is it transferable? Absolutely. I think a lot of mediums, if you talk to them, especially on the professional level, they've all entered mediumship under that umbrella in many different forms. Some have come through Reiki, then gone on to spiritual healing, then become absolutely fantastic healers. And then they may offer a message at some point, moving it into mental mediumship. So because they were good at Reiki, they had a better understanding of energy, which allowed the spiritual healing to take place. They got good at spiritual healing, and because they've got that relationship worked up, they are now good at mental mediumship. So the talents, as it's been suggested, are being transferred through different forms there: Reiki, spiritual healing, mental mediumship. So it absolutely is transferable. Because mediumship is a conscious-based thing. It's not about what you're eating or drinking or what the time of year it is or any of that stuff. It's the conscious and the subconscious understanding of the spirit world. The vaster the consciousness, the vaster the understanding, thus giving you the ability to go deeper into evidence or better quality spoken trance or better healing, so on and so forth. So again, I know it's a short video and some people like the short videos anyway, don't they? So I hope I answered the question there for the viewer. So like it if you liked it. Comment, obviously get in the comments because that does my channel the world of good, and if the channel's doing good, it motivates me to keep going and all that stuff. Subscribe if you aren't already. Click that notification bell to be notified of the next video, and I will see you all next time.